Tune up some fun at the GoGo Smart Wheels Fast and Friendly Garage from VTech.
I'm gonna be first!
There is so much to explore in this 3-level playset. Race around the garage and down the spiral track. Zoom the speedy race car across smart points to hear magical and unique responses.
Oh, this is so cool!
Press the windshield for first words, fun sound effects, and sing-along songs for the ride.
Round and round the track we go. I am fast and the others are slow.
Raise and lower the repair lift and bobble the tune-up station. Take a spin in the car wash. With so many ways to rev up play, these moving pieces also help to develop motor skills. Sturdy and kid tough with multiple ways to play, the GoGo Smart Wheels Fast and Friendly Garage is perfect for toddlers and preschoolers. Build a collection with all GoGo Smart Wheels playsets and vehicles. Open for business all day, every day at the GoGo Smart Wheels Fast and Friendly Garage from VTech. Ready, set, go, go!